Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Winline adult swimming goggles. These are polarized open water goggles for swimming with anti-fog design. It comes with an UV protection and low leakage clear vision. Easy to adjust for adults, men, women, teenagers, and of course, other guys are possible to connect this device with his head easily. The filter out irregular lights to avoid glare, protect our eyes from harmful UV rays. This making us see clearer and offering an up-vision stereoscopic vision effect. It is ideal choice for outdoor swimming, surfing, and for other open water related sports. Of course, indoor swimming is possible to use. Don't wear these goggles too, no problem. And it's hypoallergenic, soft and durable, adapts to the different face shapes with ultimate comfort. Self-adjusting TPR nose bridge piece ensures a comfortable fit and won't hurt our nose bridge. Anti-slip dual straps reduce the force to our head and increase the comfort. And that's for sports. And that's for protection. And this is for underwater fun. We have a 3D silicone gasket made of safe and allergy-free silicone. It provides comfortable buffers and a perfect watertight seals against the ice. No painful chlorine or salt water ingress. Don't worry about leakage or no raccoon eyes. And we have an impact-resistant PC lens with latest environmental anti-fog chemical technology. This offers us a 180 degrees unrestricted, clear and comfortable vision without distortion. Streamlined design enhances our smooth swim performance. The safety glass technology also protects the lens against dropping and splintering. And it's easy to adjust, as you can see. Because there are a button on each side of the device, you can push and then you can adjust it. We do not touch or wipe the inside lens to avoid damage the anti-fog coating if it's possible. Once the anti-fog function stops working, we can purchase professional anti-mist spray and use it in the inside lens before swimming. We put a small amount of baby shampoo inside our lens, for example, and let it dry to 50 minutes, and then thoroughly rinse it. Split a little salvia inside the lens, carefully spread with our fingers, and rinse it in. So these are the possibilities if the anti-fog design does not work anymore. But this is in the future, okay? We try to keep a neutral face expression. We do not making faces or squint our eyes while swimming. We make sure that our hair or part of our swim cap is cocked under the seal. Avoid getting Vaseline or anti-chafe lotion on the seal itself. And of course, we do not scratch the outdoor mirroring coating. We do not touch the wipe the inside lens, particularly in wet status. We keep the lens clean and free from dirt and grease. We rinse the swimming goggle in clean cold water before the first use, and we rinse goggles after each use. The air dry naturally without rubbing, then store in dry the clean storage bag or container. The most appropriate use of the storage temperature is 15 degrees up to 35 degrees Celsius. We are positioning the goggles on our face and stretch the head strap over the back on the head. We do not tighten the head strap too much. We allow the goggles to fit comfortably. And we slide the thumbs to back of the head and lift the elastic from back to the front of the head. So easy, you can wear and remove our goggles again. This continuous use immediately as irritation arises. We do not dive into water when wearing the goggles. We were very careful when wearing and removing the goggles, particularly when they are wet. We do not pull the goggles away from our face forcefully. They could slip free, causing eye injury. And of course, children's and younger people are instructions with guidance. The polarized lens can make it difficult to see LCD screens like our phone, television screen, etc. And it comes with a much of colors. We can choose it in blue polarized or in golden polarized and not polarized, in red polarized, in blue polarized, in gold, as I saw, or in smoke lens like here, or in silver, in non-polarized clear lenses, or so many red polarized mirror lenses and so on. These are really cool because this brings you the joy to look underwater by using these Winline adult swimming goggles. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.